What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with another one. I've already started today's project on the machine here. You might see it on the icon there on the screen, but we've already started it. We're getting to stitching it out. And special project about today, or special thing about today's project, is not only are we using this machine to get it done, but we're also going to use the commercial machine to take what we're making on here, throwing it on the commercial machine, and making some apparel today. So today's video might be a long video. I started this off recording it with the big camera right here, but I don't feel like doing all that. So we're gonna actually be using our phone today. So we will be in portrait mode. I've done this a lot of times. I think I've gotten better for the most part over the years that I've been doing this. And just another project that I'm working on. Today's project is gonna be a personal project that I'm doing for myself. But you guys can take the work that I know how to do for myself and apply it to see, excuse me, if you guys would like to hire me to do designs for you. So let me go ahead and let this thing finish out. It does say it started out at 10 minutes. I don't know how much time left it's got, but it's just starting. So I'll let that finish and I'll check back with you guys once we have a little bit more of this section complete.